Still celebrating from Thursday's major upset in the Portland Eastern by-election, the Jamaica Labour Party says its victory at the polls is part of a larger strategy to target PNP safe seats in the next general elections. TVJ's Andrew Ledley has details.
After weeks of campaigning, the JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz emerged the victor in the Portland Eastern by-election on Thursday, beating the PNP's Damian Crawford by a little over 300 votes in what has been a PNP safe seat. Head of the JLP's Public Relations Committee, Senator Matthew Samuda, says the outcome of Thursday's victory was the product of strategy and careful planning from the Mrs. Vaz campaign team. He says the aim is to replicate this in other constituencies.
Well, I think this is the first step. From what I'm seeing on my own analysis, I think there are 2 or 3 others that we will make serious overtures towards and try and have conversations with the people, because there are 3 that we've deemed that are extremely weak. But we're in a place where I'm not viewing safe seats in the same way that I used to view. And there are others with significant vulnerabilities.
Mr. Samuda adds that this strategy ties into the party's wider philosophy about what are known as safe seats.
You know, I grew up at a time where I used to hear PNP country. It used to offend me. I wouldn't want to hear JLP country either. I want to hear Jamaica. So I think this notion of several geographic areas being tied to one party or the other needs to end. So the answer is we're a national party. We're going to target every constituency. Certainly there are the others that there are some that we've viewed as weaker than some, and we'll target those first.
Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.